Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to print in Lightroom. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. And let's go to the app, and here let's choose the photo. Suppose this one. All we have to do is go to that share option. Let's tap in the share option that is at the top. There's so many options. Tap in that share, and there is option called share. You have to tap in the side and the share, and here you can see many options. You can also see the print option. All you have to do is, in order to print, you have to tap in there, and here as you can see, photos has been selected, and here you can decide how many copies you want, like 4, 5, 6. You can also select the paper size and stuff. So this is it. All you have to do is hit that print button and your photo will get printed. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.